Hey everybody, just taking a quick look at a Tascam multi-track cassette deck, the 688, an 8-channel tape deck with full mixer for band production. This one I'm busy taking a look at has got a failed belt, and if you look at this, very interesting, look at those heads. They are 8 channels for recording, 8 channels for playing, and 8 erase separations, so you can record and erase tracks individually. 8 separate cassette channels, 8 separate channels. So we're going to try and fix this now. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I've opened up the mechanism. If you look here, you'll see the usual goop and schloop over here, and look at this goop over here. This is all just totally liquid rubber, so I'm going to have to try and clear that off now. Check at this. I'm a new fan of acetone. I just left this in here in a bath of acetone and it dissolved the belt. Just destroyed it completely. You gotta love that. I mean, how on earth can you not enjoy that? Look at that. That's dissolved belt right in there. Fascinating, eh? Let me see if I can clean up the other part. So here's the new belt, thanks to Marvin Hills Audio. There's the new belt, and we're going to try and install that. So as you can see, a very dirty job. Look at my hands. So just a quick look at those heads. Those heads are fascinating, aren't they? Multi-channel. Should probably go over them with some very, very light sandpaper. I don't know, but I'll first see if the machine is good before fiddling with that. And of course, if it's good, I'm not going to touch them, but I will give them a clean with some alcohol in the meantime. Stand by. Oh, would you look at that? Isn't that sexy? Look at that. It's going. It's working. Stop. Pause. Rewind. Stop. Play. Look at that. Incredible. Well, that's working.